Brett Proctor, good play off the boards. I didn't know if he knew he had somebody right on him. Tries to get up for Cooper Gregg, picked off by Corbin. Corbin centers it. Shot through traffic, goal. Smith, funky little play up. Felix gets the puck back, puts it up for Williams. Williams makes a move. Nice pass over to Tal. Tal shot, score. Beautiful setup by Shea Williams. Back and forth between Tal and Shea. That was a beauty. Masterful play between the two of them. Over for Durling. Durling has the big shot. Shot, goal. There it was. Power play goal, Ray Durling. Hayes. Carter. Blake McLean. Blake, oh, nice centering pass. Shot, goal. Comes through the crowd by number 17, Isaac Lamke. Can't hold the zone. Did he hold the zone? Somehow, goal! Jasper Nelson. I'm amazed that Shea Williams was able to hold the puck there. I could have swore he was on the other side of the blue line. Jasper Nelson gets it, fires it in just inside the post, down low. 8 minutes, 30.